Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage contacts in Salesforce using the easy method. This is a great way to organize your customer list on your tracking session so you can find any person's details instantly. Let's get into it. First, open the app launcher and click Contacts. The first step is to log into your main system dashboard, look at the top corner of your screen, and find the main folder room where your customer lists are kept. Open your web browser, sign into your account, click on the small grid icon at the top left that looks like a group of dots to open the app launcher, and click the word Contacts. Wait for your main client list page to load up completely on the center of your screen. Because you cannot edit a person's information from the basic landing page, you have to open this dedicated directory area so the system knows you want to work with your client address book. Without this step, your screen won't show the list of names you need to organize. Next, create a new client profile. You need to open a fresh, blank card form so you can type a brand new person's details into your database list. Move your pointer to the top right corner of your customer screen, click on the button that says New, and watch for the pop-up entry window to open. Look at the blank white entry lines that show up on your screen and get your keyboard ready to type. Because you need a clean, dedicated space to register a new buyer without mixing up old information. By opening this new card window, you tell the computer program to set aside a fresh folder slot in its memory bank. It ensures your database stays neat and sorted from the very beginning. Next, type in the personal and work details. Now you need to take your client's business card or paper notes and type their name, mobile phone number, and work email into the correct blank text boxes. Click inside the empty boxes, type the first name and last name, add their company name, and type their daily email address into the field box. Scroll down the entry window slightly to add their physical office address or a small note about what they buy from you. Because your tracking system is only helpful if the saved information is accurate. By filling out these specific blank fields, you give the computer the raw details it needs to build a real profile card. It is the key step to getting the right output, because typing the correct letters prevents you from sending messages to the wrong person later. Next, save the card and set up a reminder task. The final step is to hit the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up form, click on the Activity tab on their new Live page, and click New Task to type a follow-up reminder. Set a date for next week on the Calendar widget, type Check-in Call in the subject box, and hit the final Save button on the task. Once you add the follow-up reminder for your latest management task, the system will automatically pop up a note on your home screen when it is time to talk to them again. Now your customer profile setup is complete and your database is perfectly updated. And that's it. To manage contacts in Salesforce, you must first open the app launcher and click on Contacts. Then you click the New button to open a blank file card. Next, you type the personal and work details like names and phone numbers into the empty boxes. Finally, you click Save and set up a reminder task on their page to follow up later. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.